With these affiliate marketing tips, the sky's the limit. You can find a lot of products online, from HD TVs to ebooks on Spanish recipes and everything in between. Marketing these products to people from the companies that make them is a great way to earn a good living. Being an affiliate marketer is a popular career in high demand, and we will discuss some ways you can market products in this video. Affiliate marketing entails many tasks, some hard and some easy. You should always tackle the hardest and longest tasks first if you want to be productive. By doing this, you will be able to coast through the easier tasks, ending your workday on a good, strong note. Plus, handling the tougher tasks first allows you to get more of them done per day. Do not try to trick your readers by hiding your financial stake in your links. Your visitors are used to affiliate marketing and they know that you are running a blog or site in order to earn money. Let them know that you will be making money from the links that they click on. They will be more likely to go ahead and click, if you are upfront with them. Although advertising one's products on the internet can be a convenient way to reach a broad segment of the population, potential buyers can often be reluctant to buy a product that they won't be able to try on until it has arrived. For this reason, it is important to stress your liberal return policies. You can make some serious money in affiliate marketing if you understand how to properly use it. High rankings with the search engines will benefit your internet site. You will get more cash and better affiliate links this way. A great affiliate marketing tip is to promote an affiliate product through Twitter. If you have built up a large base of interested visitors who trust you, an occasional tweet promoting an affiliate product can be very beneficial. As long as you're putting out great content, this can be an effective strategy. With the vast array of products to choose from online, it's easy to get your foot in the marketing door, but stepping all the way through is another matter entirely. In this video, you learn some ways in which to take your marketing efforts to the next level. Don't forget to use these tips on your path to success and to always work to improve your web presence. Student loan.